Have you ever felt lost in the maze that is complex fatigue, struggling to understand what triggers your fatigue, what leads to an energy crash, and what you can do to establish a reliable energy baseline with confidence? Complex fatigue is typically exactly just that. It often involves a complex interplay of triggering factors that not only influence how you make energy in the body, but these factors also dictate how you spend your energy. In terms of energy management then, this can lead to frustration as you battle to understand which factors underpin or worsen your fatigue. Because if we don't understand the causative factors, then how can we improve our fatigue and general health outcomes, right? Understanding complex fatigue is sometimes tricky because your fatigue is often the end result of a culmination of things happening in the body, some of which you may be consciously aware of, but others that maybe you're not. Yet these factors collectively drive your fatigue patterns and other associated symptoms such as brain fog, muscle pain, flu-like symptoms, headaches, and digestive issues. And you feel powerless in terms of improving the situation. So how can we help you to solve the fatigue puzzle? One of the key assessment tools that we use at the clinic is the OHC clinical roadmap. And this offers us an opportunity to map out and explore your health data and help you to make sense of exactly which factors are driving your fatigue. We begin by creating a functional map, which involves looking at your current symptoms, taking a comprehensive health history, considering your family health history too, establishing an in-depth understanding of your diet, travel habits, hobbies, and possible toxic exposures, and analysing pre-existing bloods. By mapping out this information, we can start to build a foundation understanding of how, why, and where your energy provision is being compromised. And this functional map is often a light bulb moment for many of our clients, as it helps them to see their health mapped out across various body systems. And this functional map also shows us which of those body systems require the most attention and support in terms of improving your health. From here then, we build an individualised, tailored health roadmap for you, which offers a step-by-step clinical exploration and deeper dive into your fatigue. And this process might involve further functional testing and targeted health questionnaires so that we can gather as much data as possible, because often the smallest details are key to solving the puzzle. Once we fully understand the biochemical and nervous system factors that are driving fatigue for you personally, we then design targeted clinical protocols to address the issues at hand with a view to improving your energy levels and decreasing your associated symptoms. One of the most important goals of our clinical process at OHC is equipping you with a working knowledge of how your body works so that you can finally feel in control of your own health, and with our support, learn the tools to help you to feel better. If you're interested in working with OHC to create your own clinical roadmap, do visit our website where you can organise a discovery call to find out more.